Hi guys, how are you? I think you all will be good, okay? And if you're watching this video, it means your phone has been locked due to pin pattern and password lock. So if you're watching this video, then don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I am going to give you in this video, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely, okay? So further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work, okay? Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing that I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, so you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your phone by learning this method and mentioning it and applying it to your smartphone. And for one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, if your phone unlocked with this trick, then all the data which were in your phone before your phone is locked, all will be as remains and is it in your phone, okay? So as you know, my friend, this unlocking method generally known as offline unlocking method. So simply you will have to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be completely closed down. Now you can see, my friend, my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network, and it's possible your phone will be also showing in your phone that is telecommunication network should be completely closed. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see there is an option of airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate your flight mode to close all the network like Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So I am going to click on this option. Now you can see my phone's Wi-Fi network has been closed. Now my phone is ready to go with the offline unlocking method. But there is also an important thing I would also like to give you, that the most important thing is that your all the background running application when your phone was not locked should be closed. So generally it is not possible when your phone is locked, generally it is not possible to close all the running application of your background, okay? So there are some secret code which generated by the service center after 2 or 3 days, and this secret code used to close the running application in your phone lock mode, okay? So simply you will have to slide your phone upside and you will get an option of an emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I will give you this secret code, and this secret code updates in 2 days or 3 days. If this secret code helped you to unlock your phone, then it's okay. Otherwise, if your phone could not unlock, it means you will have to go with the new secret code which I will give you after 2 or 3 days videos, okay? So today's secret code is star 000, then star 88, then star 852, then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the running application, and you will have to dial this secret code in your dialing pad. Then after you will have to call on this secret code. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and again you will have to do this process 3 times continuously. Now all the background running application of your phone has been closed. It means your phone is now ready to go with the unlocking method. Now you will have to clear this call log like this. Now I will give you a USSD code, all the USSD code which is used to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, okay? And this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see there is a page has been appeared on my phone's display, and its name is engineer's mode, and it's also known as master unlocking mode in the language of service center. And you can see there are also lots of options on this page, but for the unlocking you will have to go with the option of a software version which is showing on the 5th number. You can see here that option is software version, and you will have to click on this software version. When you will click on this option, you will get also again lots of options on this page. You can see the first option is your phone's model number, so don't go with this. You will have to go with the option of a second number, that is Android version, and my phone's Android version is 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13 or 10 or 11, and if your Android version is 13, then it means you will have to click on this option 13 times but rapidly. Okay, so my phone Android version is Android version 12, so I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and just a minute, 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now we will have to go with the back button. You can see there is an option of a back button on the bottom of the phone, so you will have to go with the back button. When you will click on back button, you will reach to the previous page where there is an option of a manual test above the software version. You can see here there is an option of a software manual test at the above of a software version. So simply you will now you will have to go with this option. When you will click on manual test option, you will reach to the new page, that is assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this until you reach to the option of other. Now you can see there is an option of other at the end of this page, and there are also a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test, the second option is read write important lock test, the third option is key status, and the fourth option is database version. It's also known as mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but don't worry about this. Both the option has the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. You will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly. Okay, like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done. Now you can also see there is an option of a read write important lock test on this page. At the second number you can see there is an option of a read write important lock test. Now you will have to go with this option, and this is the most important option, so be careful about this option. Okay, when you will click on this option, you will get a pop-up of a confirm. You will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to cancel this option at the first time, and again you will again at the second time you will have to cancel this like this, and again at the third time you will again have to cancel this option like this. But at the fourth time when you will click on this option, again you will ask to confirm. At the fourth time you will have to confirm with this the OK option. Okay, now your all the forgotten pin pattern and password are on reconstruction mode. It means your all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed, and now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password. Now the most and the very last step I am going to give you, this is the most important step, so be careful about this step, and if you are skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. So you will have to watch this video again, and if you watch this video properly and very carefully, so it means your phone will be unlocked at the end of this video. So at the last step is you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here there is an option of a device debugging option. You can see there are also lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here, but you can see there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration at you can see here at the 6th number. This option is showing here, sensor self test and calibration. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, my friend, now you can see when you will click on this option, you will get a 2 type of option on your display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, so don't worry about it. You will have to simply click on this option and you will have to start these operation. Both option are showing here operation not started, so simply you will have to start these operations. Okay, and you will have to continuous clicking on these options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, so you can see now I am going to click on these options. Test started, and second option got I failed, test failed. Okay, but the first option you can see here, test passed message has been appeared. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything, simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So what will I have to do to check my further my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here, so simply I will click on this option and I will check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I clicked on this. You can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my phone as it is as in my phone, you can see here all the application like Xender as it is as is my phone, which was installed before my phone was locked, and all the applications are shape position in my phone. So if your phone is unlocked with this video, then do the like this video. This gives us encouragement to make the further these type of videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the next issues.